Have you ever found yourself in a frustrating situation where you're ready to use a service, but you're not sure how to pay for it? Well, if you're facing this dilemma with RingCentral, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of RingCentral payments and answer the burning question. How do I pay for RingCentral? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to understand why RingCentral is such a popular choice. It's a cloud-based communication platform that offers a suite of features, including voice, video, and messaging. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, RingCentral can streamline your communication needs. Payment options. Now, let's get to the main event. How do you actually pay for RingCentral? Well, the platform offers a variety of payment options to cater to different preferences and needs. Credit card. This is probably the most straightforward method. You can use a major credit card like Visa, MasterCard, or American Express to pay for your RingCentral subscription. Simply enter your card details during the checkout process, and your payment will be processed securely. Electronic funds transfer, EFT. If you prefer to pay directly from your bank account, RingCentral offers EFT as an option. This involves providing your bank account information, and the payment will be initiated automatically. Purchase order, PO, for businesses that require a more formal payment process. RingCentral accepts purchase orders. You can submit a PO to RingCentral, and they will invoice you accordingly. Bill.com. If your business uses Bill.com for its payment processing, you can connect your RingCentral account to Bill.com and pay directly through the platform. Additional considerations. Subscription plans. RingCentral offers various subscription plans, each with its own pricing structure. The cost of your RingCentral subscription will depend on the plan you choose and the number of users you have. Taxes. Depending on your location, you may be subject to sales tax or other taxes on your RingCentral subscription. These taxes will be calculated and added to your final bill. Invoices. RingCentral will send you invoices for your subscription payments. You can access and download these invoices from your RingCentral account. Troubleshooting payment issues. If you encounter any problems with your RingCentral payments, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Verify your payment information. Double-check that your credit card details or bank account information are correct. Contact RingCentral support. If you're still having trouble, reach out to RingCentral's customer support team. They can assist you with resolving payment issues and provide guidance. Paying for RingCentral is a straightforward process with multiple payment options available. Whether you prefer to use a credit card, EFT, purchase order, or Bill.com, there's a method that suits your needs. By understanding the different payment options and following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily pay for your RingCentral subscription and start enjoying its benefits. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any further questions or need more assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.